Tech Fix Guides channel, solving your everyday problems one video at a time.
Have you noticed random people sending you DMs on Instagram, even though you've never interacted with them before? And have you ever opened your story viewers or notifications and wondered how strangers were suddenly able to reply, tag, or mention you without permission? In 2026, Instagram has added more privacy controls than ever, but many of them are buried deep inside menus that most people never open. Because of this, users often feel overwhelmed, spammed, or exposed without realizing why. In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through the exact Instagram privacy settings you must change first to lock down your account, reduce unwanted interactions, and regain control. Step by step, using only official settings. What this video will fix. In this guide, we're going to focus on the privacy settings that have the biggest real-world impact for everyday Instagram users. We'll cover 6 main areas that affect how visible your account is and who can interact with you. This includes account visibility, story controls, mentions and tags, comment and spam filtering, direct message requests, and data and ad preferences. Each section is designed to solve a specific problem like DM spam, unwanted replies, or surprise visibility. I'll show you the exact menu path on screen for each setting and explain what it actually does in simple terms. Keep in mind that Instagram menus can change slightly by device or region, so I'll show iPhone first and mention Android alternatives when needed. Step 1. Private versus public account. The first and most important privacy decision on Instagram is whether your account is set to public or private. To check this, open your profile, tap the menu icon in the top corner, go to Settings and Privacy, and then open Account Privacy. Here you'll see the option to turn on a private account, which changes how your content is shared across the platform. This single toggle controls who can see your posts, stories, followers, and following list. When your account is private, only people you approve can follow you and see your content. This immediately blocks strangers from viewing your profile or interacting with your posts. It also prevents your content from being indexed or casually browsed by people who don't know you. For personal accounts, this is usually the strongest privacy move you can make. The main trade-off is that growth is slower and every new follower requires approval, but many users find the added control worth it. If you run a business, creator, or public-facing account, switching to private may not be practical. In that case, keeping your account public means the next privacy steps become even more important. These settings help limit how strangers can interact with you, even when your profile is visible to everyone. Step 2. Story controls. Who can see and reply. Stories are one of the most common entry points for unwanted attention on Instagram. To control this, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Story. Start by reviewing the Hide Story from option, which lets you block specific people from seeing your stories without unfollowing or blocking them. This is useful for coworkers, acquaintances, or followers you don't want to offend but still want distance from. Next, review the Replies setting. By default, many accounts allow replies from everyone, which opens the door to spam and unwanted messages. Setting replies to people you follow immediately reduces random reactions and message spam. You can also choose to limit replies further or turn them off entirely if you rarely need responses. These story settings only affect story interactions and don't change who can see your regular posts. Adjusting them quietly improves privacy without drawing attention or changing how your profile appears publicly. Step 3. Mentions and tags. Mentions and tags are frequently abused by spam accounts, fake giveaways, and promotional scams. To control this, open Settings and Privacy and go to Tags and Mentions. Here you'll find separate controls for who can mention you in captions, comments, and stories, and who can tag you in posts. Setting both mentions and tags to people you follow is recommended for most users. This prevents random accounts from pulling your username into spammy content or tagging you without permission. In some app versions, you may also see a No One option, which offers maximum protection if you rarely want to be mentioned or tagged at all. These controls are especially important for public accounts because tags and mentions can expose your username to large audiences. Limiting them helps protect your reputation and keeps your notifications clean and manageable. You tag someone directly on the photo or video. Their profile is linked to that post. People can tap the photo to see who's tagged. Step 4. Comments and hidden words. Comment spam has become more aggressive in recent years, especially on public posts. To manage this, go to Settings and Privacy, then Open Comments. Enable Instagram's built-in spam filters, including advanced filtering, if it's available on your account. These filters automatically hide comments that look suspicious or abusive. Next, open hidden words from the same settings area. Turn on automatic filtering for offensive and spam-related words. Instagram uses machine learning to detect common scam phrases, fake promotions, and abusive language before they appear publicly on your posts. You can also add custom words or phrases that you personally want to block. Hidden comments aren't deleted permanently, but they're removed from public view, which keeps your profile clean while still giving you control. Step 5. Messages and DM requests. Direct messages are where many users feel the biggest privacy problems. To adjust this, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Messages and Story Replies. Look for message delivery controls that determine who can send you message requests. Set message requests from people you don't follow to requests only, or restrict them as much as the app allows. This moves unsolicited messages out of your main inbox and reduces interruptions. You can also control who can add you to group chats, which helps stop spam groups and fake promotions. These changes won't affect messages from friends or people you already follow. They simply reduce unwanted contact and give you more control over who can reach you directly. Step 6. Activity status. Optional privacy trade-off. Instagram shows your activity status by default, including when you were last active or currently online. To change this, go to Settings and Privacy, then open Messages or Privacy and find Activity Status. Turning this off hides your online presence from others. Disabling activity status can reduce pressure to respond immediately and adds an extra layer of privacy. However, when you turn it off, you also won't be able to see other people's activity status. This is a trade-off, not a requirement, and depends on personal preference. This setting does not affect notifications, message delivery, or read receipts. It only controls visibility, making it a low-risk option for users who value privacy. Step 7. Content preferences and sensitive content. Instagram also allows you to control what type of content is recommended to you. To access this, go to Settings and Privacy, then open Content Preferences or Sensitive Content Controls. Here you can reduce how often sensitive or suggestive content appears in your Explore feed and Reels. This setting doesn't affect what you post or who can see your content. It only changes what Instagram shows you based on recommendations. Reducing sensitive content can make the app feel cleaner and less overwhelming. It's especially useful for users who want a more professional or family-friendly experience, or who share their phone with others. Step 8. Contact syncing. Instagram can sync your phone contacts to suggest friends and connections. To review this, go to Account Center, then your information and permissions, and find Upload Contacts or Contact Syncing. If contact syncing is enabled, Instagram may store your contacts on its servers. If you don't actively use this feature, turning it off is recommended. Disabling contact syncing reduces how much personal data is shared and does not affect your ability to use Instagram normally. You can still search for people manually or follow suggested accounts. This setting is reversible at any time, so you can re-enable it later if needed without losing functionality. Step 9. AD preferences and data settings. Instagram ads cannot be fully turned off, but you can reduce how personalized they are. To do this, go to Account Center and open Ad Preferences. Here you'll find controls related to ad topics and activity-based targeting. Instead of trying to eliminate ads, focus on limiting personalization. Adjust ad topics you want to see less of and review how your activity is used. This reduces tracking influence while keeping the app usable and stable. These settings don't remove ads, but they give you more transparency and control over how your data is used across meta platforms. Step 10. Final privacy check. Before finishing, do a final privacy check. Confirm whether your account is public or private, review story replies, check mentions and tags, verify spam filters, and confirm DM request settings. These core controls provide strong protection for most users. Many people find it helpful to screenshot their final settings so they can quickly compare them after future Instagram updates. Since menus can change, having a reference saves time later. This setup won't make your account invisible, but it significantly reduces unwanted interactions and surprises. To recap, Instagram privacy in 2026 isn't controlled by a single switch. It's built through a combination of smart settings. Locking down who can see your content, limiting who can contact you, and reducing data sharing all work together to improve your experience. These are recommended settings, not guarantees, and Instagram may change menus over time. If this guide helped you, support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to Tech Fix Guides for more clear, step-by-step privacy and tech tutorials. If your Instagram menu looks different or you're using a specific device, leave a comment and I'll help you find the correct setting path.